Budgeting your money is a great way to stay on top of your finances and ensure that you are saving and spending in a way that works for you. Here are a few steps you can take to create a budget. Track your income and expenses. The first step to budgeting is understanding where your money is coming from and where it's going. Keep track of all your income, including your salary, any investments, and any other sources of income. Then list all your expenses, including bills, groceries, entertainment, and any other regular costs. Identify your fixed and variable expenses. Once you have a list of your expenses, separate them into fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses are those that you have to pay every month, such as rent or mortgage payments and car payments. Variable expenses are those that can change from month to month, such as groceries, entertainment, and clothing. Set financial goals. Setting financial goals can help you stay motivated and focused on budgeting. Determine what you want to achieve financially, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a down payment on a house, or building an emergency fund. Create a budget. Once you have a good understanding of your income and expenses, you can create a budget. Start by allocating money to pay for your fixed expenses, such as rent and bills. Then set aside money for your variable expenses and any financial goals you have. Be realistic and make sure that the budget you create is something you can stick to. Track your progress. Finally, track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Keep track of your income and expenses and compare them to your budget. If you find that you are overspending in certain areas, make adjustments to bring your spending in line with your budget. Remember, budgeting is a process, it's not a one-time event. It requires dedication, patience, and the willingness to adapt to changes.